we want to talk about a couple of the features. The screen is a very simple screen. Once you turn it on, you have a rev counter going up the outside. Right here we have a gear selector indicator, so it shows the gear position. We have a clock, we have the kilometers per hour, we have the fuel available, and then at the bottom the odometer, and that area there via selection from either this select button or these two buttons here can scroll through a number of different items. So the air temperature, engine temperature, we've got the average fuel used, average fuel currently being used, countdown trip meter, we have trip meter 2, trip meter 1, and back to the odometer. If I want to reset any of these, I can scroll through them also this way. I can scroll back through any of those, I can scroll up through them. When I come to one of the trip meters, while it is still flashing, I can go to the select button, hold the select button, and it will reset the trip meter. So when I fill up with fuel, that's when I normally do that. It's a very simple display on the Tenere. It is designed purposely to be this way.